What's up, guys? This is Biker Dave at Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia. The Denago Rover, as well as the Denago Nomad, which would be this shorter one like this guy. If you're dealing with the seat, make sure. Now notice how this one is sitting right here. This is not installed correctly. These little tabs underneath there, these little metal tabs, have to hook under properly in order to be in place correctly. And these little buttons in the front, these are installed correctly, but the rear is not correct. So some people complain that the seat goes flying off if you're towing this vehicle at high speed, you know, on a highway or whatever. This would be why the seat could come flying off, is because it is not inserted correctly. Okay, so, and to remove it, just put your hands under here and lift up on it. Okay, but notice, see these hooks right here are where these metal tabs have to slide under. So it has to come under there on both sides. Okay, so, and it should be centered, so sort of lift up on it on the front, push straight back on it. Then once it is, then you can push down. You can just kind of bump it. Okay, now let's look at it again. Now notice how flush it is. Everything is correct. If everything is inserted correctly, this seat is not going to go anywhere unless you drive like a maniac, which you probably shouldn't be towing things anyway if that's how you drive. Or you're going 150 miles an hour. Also not recommended. Okay, so there's how your seat should be inserted properly. We've got plenty of other videos about the Denago and other carts on our channel, so check it out. Always adding more stuff. And if you're in the north side of Atlanta, Georgia, Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia, go to golfcarsofwoodstock.com. There's our phone number also, 770-727-0390. We are Denago Club Car and Star authorized dealer. We also take consignments. We buy used carts if they're in excellent condition. We take trade-ins. But the Denago has really swept the nation in popularity because they're very affordable and you get some really nice features for much less money than, say, your Club Car or your Star. And we just got the new 6-passenger model also, which just came in. You see it over there. 6-passenger Rover Double XL just came in. But yeah, call us over here. Talk to John in sales, or you can talk to Dave also, and we'll be glad to help you out. North side of Atlanta, Woodstock, Georgia. We're only 1 mile from Main Street on Highway 92. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.